Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can make a rich data catalog of all the data that you stored in your data lake or data warehouse in under 5 minutes using an amazing tool called DvSum. Let's begin. Let's say you're using Snowflake as your data lake or cloud data warehouse to stage all your data for analytics. Data in Snowflake is probably coming from multiple data sources like enterprise applications, legacy databases, or third-party data. A common challenge for data consumers is your analysts don't know what the different data sets represent, what data it contains, what is the data quality, where did the data come from, and so on. So what do they have to do? They waste their time in data discovery, getting access, evaluating, discarding, and asking for different data. The result is more time spent in data discovery than analyzing data to build insights. Now let me show you how you can create a curated, searchable, rich catalog of all your data in under 5 minutes. Let's take a quick look at my Snowflake setup. In my DCDemo database, I have numerous tables with a lot of rows and a high volume of data. Let's see how we can catalog this using DvSum. After logging into DvSum, I'm going to go ahead and click on Data Sources. I'm going to click on Add a Source. I'm going to click on Snowflake, and then I'm going to fill out the details as prompted. After filling out the required details, I'm going to click on the Save button. I'm now going to fill out the required information. After filling out the required information, I'm going to go ahead and click on Test Connection. Great, it looks like the test connection passed. I'm now going to click on Scan Now. Great. Now I just kick back, relax, and wait for the DvSum engine to work its magic. DvSum will automatically notify me when it's finished. Great, I just got an update from DvSum. Looks like it's done. DvSum has automatically organized all the tables in my dataset and has also captured rich metadata. Now let's say that I'm an analyst at a large firm, and I'm tasked with finding out the zip code that ordered the largest quantity of products of my company. DvSum allows for a Google-like search option, which allows me to search through my entire catalog. For example, I'm going to go ahead and type out zip code. DvSum has automatically alerted me to 6 columns that contain the required information that I'm looking for. If I click on one of these snippets of information, I'm also prompted with some valuable information, including classification, profiling, a neat visual distribution, and also important information about data quality. Wasn't that easy? To recap, DvSum allowed me to create a rich, curated, searchable data catalog of my Snowflake database in less than 5 minutes. It allows data and analytics to be more productive and deliver timely and accurate insights to businesses faster. Sign up for free at dvsum.ai.